Hi beautiful people, in this today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to mix two different colors together. And here with me I have color 613 and color 27. So I want to blend it together. I want to shuffle it together. So guys, so if you have different types of colors of extension that you want to mix together, this is the method you guys will use to shuffle it together. Can you see guys? Welcome back to my channel, my returning subscribers. Thanks for always tuning into the channel. And if today is your first time watching any of my video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to join the family. So this is the outcome of the extension. Can you guys see? After mixing it together, after shoving it together, can you see guys? So this is how you mix the colors together. So right now I want to jump into the braid. So guys, I'm not really showing you guys how to do braid. I just want to show you short clip of the knotless braid, and that's what I'm doing here. So after parting it, make sure your section is neat. After that, you begin to braid the hair. You start with the natural hair first. So if you are trying to achieve knotless, you start with natural hair first before adding an extension to it. So you braid it like 2 to 3 times before adding the extension. And this hair is natural hair. This particular hair that I'm braiding is natural hair and is box braid, knotless braid. Thank you so much guys, my returning subscribers. Thanks for always tuning in, and my new subscribers, you are all welcome. I love you all. I can't do without you. Thank you for your support. Thank you so much. So guys, I begin to braid the hair. This is knotless braid. Can you see? So when you're trying to braid knotless braid on natural hair, please make sure you hide, like you secure it very well. Hide the natural hair so that it won't be coming out of the braid. Can you see? So see how these two color is giving. I'm not done making it, but the color is giving. Thank you so much guys. Let me know in the comment section if you guys will love this, if you love to try this color, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. I love you. Mwah.